It's only as big as an 8-inch one, comparable to a 12-inch one. I don't quite believe it. If you make a mistake, you won't come again next time. The latest D990F, don't use it next time. Hello everyone, welcome to the Maritime Affairs Department. Hello everyone, my name is Lamborghini. I am very happy. Today I invited a guest, her name is Nini. Then she is also a deep movie lover. She has used many good membership coins, including some home theaters. Well, I have basically used it for Sony, JBL, etc. That includes the previous generation flagship phone of Samsung Q990D that I am currently using at home. So for this video, I hope to be with Mr. Hai. Let us bring you some of our experiences and feelings about using Soul Sound coins and speakers. Can provide you with some help in the process of purchasing Soul Sound coins. So in this video, if Teacher Hai and I have any differences, I also hope that the fans of Teacher Hai can be merciful. Actually, it's okay. You can speak boldly. At worst, I won't call you next time. Don't be so heartless, right? What I would like to introduce to you today is Samsung's latest 2025 model avoidance. So Nini, what do you think is different from the previous generation? Let me start with the appearance first. How about comparing it with Q990D in terms of appearance? That's why he designed this honeycomb grid-like appearance, changed to the form of a linear grid shirt. What about me personally? I prefer the current design style, because this is convenient for us to clean and clean. And what about the sound? I think it's the smaller version of the subwoofer. It has a different performance than the previous generation. As for other aspects, I think they're actually pretty much the same. Teacher Hai, what do you think? I think the difference is quite big. Especially this subwoofer. Don't look at it, it's small. It is an 8-inch pair of dual diaphragm subwoofers. So its biggest advantage is it doesn't actually take up space. Then you can place it anywhere you want at home. That's what I think about this one. Like other serpentine levels, the difference between this kind of speakers, and the most important thing is, only reaches 300 watts. Yes, the power of its output will be bigger. Right. Don't look at its small size. Only as big as a palm. But it has two bases. Then it is based on the same principle as Devialet. The shock it brings is comparable to that of a 12-inch. True or false? It's only 8 inches. Compared with 12 inches. I don't quite believe it. Then don't look at it as small. It's really a 10 out of 10 small steel cannon. I don't believe it anymore. Next, let's do a trial listening. Isn't it? Didn't lie to you? True or false? It really works. An 8-inch speaker can produce such a sound. Really good performance. Okay. What do you think? I think its diving is quite good. Very good performance. And can hear the width of this production. In fact, it is quite enough. And it's comparable to the 12-inch one. And what about its ending? Very clean. Right. But there are a lot of big subwoofers. Its ending is actually easy to come off. How to say? This shows that its elasticity is not good enough. Yes. Then why do we say big low frequency? the ending is usually not very good. Is it because its bass is louder? Because the air surface it contacts is relatively large. So what about it? Its speed will slow down in the future. The resistance is greater. So its elasticity is not that good. Now this little timbre bubble. It shows that its elasticity is very good. This little figure. It still has its advantages. Then I will take you all together. Use movie game clips. Take you to experience it together. Each channel of Q990F. Experience for all of us. What other functions are there? Are some more practical functions? In the end, I will also be with Nini. Let's share our impressions of it. If you also want to know. This 10,000 yuan Echo coin. Is it worth the price? Next, let us take a deeper look at. Q990F has a total of 16 channels. 11 terrestrial channels and 4 sky channels. Add another subwoofer. To be honest, it is an increase in quantity but not in price among the same price range. Take 2.1 channel as an example. When we turn on surround sound, 4 side surrounds on the left and right sides of the main handle. And the 2 left and right reflections of the back surround will be turned on at the same time. Equivalent to being surrounded by 6 surround sounds at the same time. On the contrary, in standard mode, only the main bar and subwoofer are working. Q990F has 4 sky channels on both sides of the main bar and above the 2 rear surround speakers. Let's play a test sound. Come and experience its effect. Normally we would expect that sky channel can bring us a sense of direction coming from above the head. In fact, Q990F can indeed. Medium and high frequencies are transmitted from the top of the head to our ears. The mid to low frequencies still rely on in front of the main speakers and subwoofer to complete. This is also a limitation of the reflective channel. However, during the actual viewing process, won't investigate carefully. Do these sounds come from the sky? You will only feel a comprehensive 3-dimensional sense of space. This can fully satisfy the family viewing and gaming experience. The front of this soundbar main speaker. There are 6 low-frequency units between the left, center, and right channels. Can enrich the expressive power of audio. It also makes the voice more confident, especially in the vocal part. The vocals have a good performance, in addition to excellent hardware. I think its smart voice control function also helps. It can highlight the clarity of human voice while reduce surrounding distractions and noise. Make the voice purer. Various configurations on this year's Samsung Q990F. It should be very friendly to gamers. First of all, it supports HDMI 2.1 interface. This means you can directly connect your game console to. The Blu-ray player is directly inserted into the Echo coin. Connect to TV again. Only takes a few seconds to achieve the highest resolution and smooth gaming experience. Also, if you still have a Samsung TV, so congratulations! When the TV is connected to Echo Coin, it will automatically enter Game Mode Pro. Open up the bass channel in front of us and surround sound with simultaneous optimization of software and hardware. You can clearly hear the footsteps, gunfire, the sense of direction and shock of the explosion. Samsung Q990F also has 2 other more personalized modes. That's the thought pattern and the party pattern. I think thought patterns should be the best match for morning people when they are alone. In the dead of night. Turn on the thought pattern. The main soundbar and subwoofer will be automatically turned off. Sound will only come from the two rear surround speakers. Volume down. You can feel one. Surround yourself only in stereo. Turn on another movie that makes you relax and feel comfortable. Sit on the sofa. Enjoy without disturbing others. Time to heal yourself. The sizzling sound from the oil pan at night. The sound of water flowing when washing fruits and vegetables. Q990F combines all the details of the sound. Turn into healing audio. Start a spiritual massage. Although I personally would prefer thought patterns. But since I discovered that the party mode can really increase the joyful atmosphere of the family, it will surprise